Good morning. Today is a great day for you, a new day of opportunity that will be filled with positivity, clarity, abundance, and gratitude. Close down your eyes and make yourself comfortable. Relax your face, your eyelids, your cheeks, your jaw. Release all tension. Bring your awareness to your breath, the rise of your chest and the fall. Liken it to waves in the ocean. They move in and they move out. In and out. Say thank you to yourself or out loud for the gift of breath and the gift of this new day. A day in which you get to carry out your gifts and your talents. Relax your entire being, starting from the top of your head, all the way down to the tips of your toes. As you relax, you allow room for more positive energy into your mind, your body, and your soul. Now imagine in your mind blue positive energy, healing energy, calming energy. It permeates and moves throughout. It clears. It awakens. Allow it to slowly move and make its way down to the tips of your toes. Today you will see things differently. You will see the world more clearly and your relationships. You will have newfound perspective. Anything that you see will pass through the positive field. You will feel more joyful and alive than ever before. Negativity will no longer exist in your day and in your being. And should it make its way through, be an observer. Simply an observer. And remind yourself that there's no place for negativity in your day-to-day. Take a few moments and set your intention for the day. What would you like to accomplish? And more importantly, how do you intend to feel? Very well. You are love, you are light, and you are positive, beaming energy, attracting all that you desire into your life. Believe that, know that, and trust that. And with that, I will meet you back here tomorrow for our next meditation.